Can you guys see that gray building right there? That is my apartment, and this is an apartment video. What's up, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you all my apartment, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of area that I live in. So right now, I am in the Itagüí area, as you can see, and this is really cool. Like I said, my apartment is literally right there, and this is some real local vibes that you get out here. In the mornings, I like to come out here and read, or I'll also just grab a coffee, sit, think about life a little bit before I go to work. But like I said, I'm gonna show you guys my apartment, mainly because this is a really nice apartment. It's not just the cool area that I'm in. The apartment is beautiful. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, I am here at my place, and as you can see, this is not just an apartment, right? This is actually, I guess it's a mall, kind of. It's really a small little commercial space with a whole bunch of stores, but it's cool to say I get to live in a mall. So on this side, you have one elevator that goes to all the floors that are in the mall. And then, like I said, you got a couple stores in here. Buenos dias. You got a couple stores in here, and then I actually have my own elevator right here for my apartment. Buenos dias. So this is the apartment I'm in. And ¿qué tal, chicos? And I actually stay on the 17th floor, and there are 20 floors in total. One thing I like about this place, and this is probably normal to be honest, but they have a trash chute. It's just so convenient when you live like right there, and you can just take the trash right here. Super, super convenient. Let me not leave that open. And let me take you guys to mi casa. Just for reference, y'all, I don't live here by the time you see this video, so don't be on no weird stuff. Okay. Bienvenidos a mi casa. That means welcome to my house, guys. And I think I'm gonna start here in the kitchen. So I tried to clean up as much as I could for you guys, but one thing I like about this apartment is the amenities. So I got an oven, which is super rare for anything here in Colombia or in Medellin. Got a stovetop with 4 tops. Got a place to dry my dishes, of course, wash the dishes. A full fridge right here. You can tell he lives here too, because I didn't buy this and I didn't buy this. And like, these are things, even the food up here, these are things that you don't necessarily add in. You just get the benefit of using it. So I think he was already living here, and then he just left this stuff here for me. And this is where it gets pretty crazy, because this Airbnb owner has a ton of stuff. You got the blender right here. You got a processor right here. I don't know what that is. All types of pots and pans. All types of sauces. All this came with the Airbnb. All types of grains and breadcrumbs and beans and condiments. I literally only bought 4 or 5 things. So most of this came with the Airbnb. And then over here, any cleaning stuff you could imagine, he has literally anything. Like, it's, I think it's 2 mops. Yeah, there's literally 2 mops here, 2 brooms, an iron pan. And then, listen y'all, if you come to Colombia, or if you've been to Colombia, you know that this is rare. My man has a washer and a dryer. Listen, this is the first place I've ever stayed at in Colombia where I have a washer and a dryer. Crazy. Then here you got the main living room, which is probably my favorite part of this place. This clock actually works, so it does change throughout the day with the time. What else? dartboard. This is stuff for me that's just really decoration. I don't actually like paint or anything, but this is cool. And then of course the views. Look at this. Like imagine waking up, this is your view every single day. And y'all, at the time I'm filming this, it's not even really good weather right now. Also right here, he has the TV, and my man got HBO, he got Netflix, YouTube, all the things a smart TV has. And then again, this is where it's a little bit different. This is where it elevates. Got an Xbox right here, a 360. You have 2 routers that you can use. So if anyone doesn't work, you can use the other one. You got an additional speaker if you want to listen to any music. You got board games if you want to play those board games, and also a guitar if you're into that. And honestly, I'm not mad at bro leaving this. Ooh, y'all didn't see that. This word here means tip, and he's asking for a tip for all the amenities, but to be real with you, that's pretty fair. Okay, in the kitchen. In the bathroom, this is actually 1 of 2 bathrooms that I got, and this is pretty small. It's not too much to explain here. This to me would be like a guest bathroom if you had somebody, and then this room can act as a guest room if you wanted it to. Sorry y'all, I know this is a little dirty, but for me this is really where I'm just putting my excess stuff. So I got my suitcase over here. Usually my laptop and stuff is in the living room, but I wanted to give you guys like a clean view of the room. So I put it in here, and bro actually has a massage table right here as well, which is pretty crazy. So in Colombia, getting massages are actually pretty cheap. You can have somebody come to your house for maybe like $40 or $50, and they'll give you a massage. So I don't know if it's a regular thing for Colombians to have massage tables here, but this guy's name is Frank. He has a massage table. And next is my room. Love this room, guys. When I came, everything was actually wrapped in plastic. So like all the individual pillows are wrapped in plastic. There was a plastic cover on the actual mattress itself. And I think that's just because they had it washed right before I came. And then when they sent it back with the plastic on it. Also, right here, you got another TV that's also a smart TV as well. Right now, I got it on YouTube. And then in here, you have a walk-in closet, essentially. Yeah, it is a walk-in closet because I can walk in it, right? So I have a walk-in closet. Again, this is extremely messy. So ignore that, but a ton of places where you can put your stuff. Storage down here for your clothes too. 2 hanger racks, a ton of hangers right here. Then if you come right here, he also has hangers all up here, hangers all down here. You guys should know by now, I'm a digital nomad. So that means I have like 6 or 7 outfits on a great day. So I don't need all this space. But if you were somebody that like signed a 6-month lease here, this would definitely be like where you want to put your stuff at. And in the kitchen, why do I keep saying kitchen, y'all? In the bathroom. This is a pretty small bathroom. I think this would be like one of the only knocks I have about this place is that it is a pretty small bathroom, but it gets the job done. And to be honest with you, there's so many other positive things here that it just kind of outweighs it. I'll also show you guys the view here because it's insane. It's a whole different viewpoint. Like I can't see any of this part of the city from the view I just showed you in the living room. And at nighttime, it's so beautiful. Like you can literally see miles and miles and miles of buildings, and they're just all lit up. So you guys see the apartment, but actually there's a lot more to this place than just the apartment. Like I said, I do live in a mall, and this mall also has a grocery store, which is like an Aldi if you're in the States, or kind of like a souped up Walgreens where you can get a ton of stuff. And then on top of that, you also have a gym on the 5th floor on the other side of the elevator. And this gym is kind of like an influencer gym almost. Lots of pink lights everywhere. There's a ton of people taking pictures and stuff. Regardless of all of that, it's $10 for a month, and it has everything I need in it. So I know what you guys are thinking. How much is this place? If you stuck to the end, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'll really tell you. Guys, for a month here at this place, I paid about 1,100 USD. And for some, this might be really expensive. I'm expecting a ton of people here to come in my DMs and say that I paid $400 for this place at this time, and that's great for you, my friend. But for me, this is a great price for this apartment, and I'm pretty satisfied. To be honest with you, I think this is a $1,500 apartment. You have 2 bedrooms, you have 2 bathrooms, you have local fields right by, you got the grocery store literally downstairs where you can buy all types of food that you need to, and then you got the gym, literally a 5-minute walk that I can get a workout in at any time of the day as much as I want to get it in. So for me, this is a steal. And if I was in Colombia long term, I would have went ahead and snatched this place up. I would have gotten this place for about 6 to 7 months. So anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure, as I always say, to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know. I always respond. Till next time, peace.